Hi, it's Rena here with another DIY craft project, and for our tutorial today we're crafting farmhouse style book stacks. They seem to be really trendy right now, and I thought we'd give them a try. The directions are pretty straightforward. You do have to factor in the painting and the drying time, so if this is something that you like to craft as well, then keep on watching. Farmhouse book stacks craft supply list: 3 books, hard-backed with the jackets removed, chalk paint, white, cream, or ivory, a foam paintbrush, alphabet stamps and stamp pad, a black Sharpie or black paint pen, paper towels, newspaper, paper plates, anything to cover your work surface to keep it paint-free, and decorative pieces such as twine, ribbon, lamb's ear, or eucalyptus stems, or any other greenery you have on hand. Alright, to get started with your craft, you will want to make sure that you've got at least 3 or 4 books that are hardback, and you can purchase those at the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. A lot of times your Goodwill store will have books. Maybe you have a book that's been water damaged, but you still want to do something with it. So anything like that will help in gathering your books for the craft. And also, like a book like this, a lot of times they come with the book jacket, but you will not need that. So you can go ahead and toss that and get started with the craft. Okay, now you're ready to begin painting. And the one thing that you will need to remember is that it does take a while, because you can't paint every part of the book at one time, just because some parts need to dry before you begin the other parts. And so a key to remember is that you will paint every part of the book that has color. So you will want to paint the front cover, you will want to paint the spine, you will want to paint the back cover, and also inside here as well. So you want to paint the edge all the way around because it has that color. And then also, if you want your project to be the exact same color, that same cream color, you may want to go ahead and paint the text block. And so there's the bottom, of course, through the spine, and on that side as well. For my farmhouse stack books, I used chalk paint. I felt that that the chalk paint covered well, and I didn't want the glossy finish on the books. And so after everything's painted, everything's dried, the fun part begins, and that is writing your message on your books. And so you can really personalize this for yourself, or for if you're making it for someone else. I have the alphabet stamps. I think they were purchased at Hobby Lobby, so that's what I'm using today. But if you don't have that and you have great penmanship, you can go ahead and maybe stencil it in with a pencil first. And then these painter's pens are wonderful, and you can purchase these at Walmart. And then also, if you don't have that, you can use a Sharpie, and I would definitely recommend doing the fine point for that as well. A good tip to remember when you are painting your letters on or stamping your letters is to work backwards. And I find another tip is to write down what you're going to say on paper, and then you know which letter to work backwards with. That way there's no misspellings, and you have plenty of room on the spine for all of your words. So I'll show you how I did mine. Alright, so I'm going to write home on mine, and so I'm going to start backwards. So I'm going to do that first one. And it's okay that it's not perfect. It's that rustic style. And so that I just think that with doing it that way makes it feel like it's really personalized. Okay, so after your message is stamped on all of your books, it's time to embellish. And I used twine. I had some greenery left over from another craft project, and I had some burlap ribbon. So I just put it all together, and I think they turned out really great. If you like simple decor that's personalized, doing this as a DIY craft project would be fun and very rewarding. And as always, I hope this inspires you to create your own craft. And to or your own project. And remember, the directions and the craft supply lists are listed in the direction box below. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting.